Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy SSG Lil in the building. I'm back with another reaction video. We're on to another random video. This is Righteous and Ratchet by Scru and SSG. I know he's been reacting, SFJ, he's been reacting to SSG. A lot of his, lot of different, raps and junk that he made, cause this was like back in June. And they were actually able to collab and make a song or a rap, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I can't wait to see what they do on the track. And you already know the voice copyright. I'm not associated with Scru. I support all the content and music he creates. Go support Scru for yourselves. And let's get right into it. Righteous and Ratchet.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the... Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short of came righteous in the broken land. Quit all of that chicken and none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people on the stars. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners until I'm fucking I'm winning. The land is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically imitating. I'm billing your bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me your addy, we put it on map. Send me the addy, we put it on map. Fuck up your block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS to sign it with the liver like your homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people on the stars. We can be right to the rest. Hey,
Should've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down for a bullet of soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she beg for the pole.
so ready and go, and I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. I've done some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house, and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, got it sticking with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up the hasta. So get to home and then set up your starter.
Quit all of that cheating, all of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Some bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people on the stars. We can be right to the rest. Hey.
All right, y'all. That was Righteous and Ratchet by Scru and SSG. I love that. Like, we be Righteous and Ratchet. We be Righteous and Ratchet. Hey, hey, we be Righteous and Ratchet. Like I can't remember people. I came from the bottom where the people started. We be righteous and ratchet. Hey, I'm like, okay. What's all the violence references talking about hockey stick, like a hockey, like pull the stick. I'm like, okay, and but they not talking stick like the hockey stick. They talk about stick like the gun, the gat, bro. And they make all these references talk about like starting from the bottom, and I come from the bottom with the people starving, stuff like that. You know how you start? Some people start off like the ghetto project, stuff like that, and it says stop on your head like a soccer ball. Like I'm like, okay, yo, and they were at a nice little combo. I like how they like switched off in the little verses. The verses they were doing, I love how it be like, let me pass it over to my man, and then as Mill start going right after SFJ, bro. Like I said, I ain't no composer, no lyricist, no none of that, so I can't really be talking, bro. Yo, I honestly have to admit, this was awesome, bro. So great job to Screwface John, great job to Ez Mill, and yeah, this was just an absolutely amazing track, yo. I hope y'all can collab at least one more time, bro, for real. And yeah, this my bad, I'm stumbling over my words. The next video will be either another weekly rap reaction or the next random video, which is the Kings of Anime Rap Cypher by Dizzy 8. So yeah, be prepared for that. One of those two options in the next video, just the end of the video, y'all. Like to subscribe, you do have my contact. I appreciate any support. I guess SSG Lil, y'all. I'm out. Peace.